Hello everyone! In this session, I will guide you step by step on how to raise a support ticket in the system. First, enter the support ticket URL. You all have the support ticket URL. After entering the URL, you will be redirected to the dashboard. This is the dashboard you will see. Click on My Area and then click on Add Ticket. After clicking on Add Ticket, please enter your name and email ID. Next, enter the subject. For example, if your issue is related to logging in to the LMS, enter the subject as Unable to log in to LMS. In the description box, clearly explain your issue in detail, including the exact problem you're facing. Ensure that you provide complete and accurate information. If possible, you may also attach relevant screenshots for better clarity. After entering all the details, complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm that you are not a robot. Once done, click on Submit. That's it. Please make a note of the ticket ID for future reference. Our support team will review your request and respond within 24 to 48 working hours. Thank you.